There was much deliberation over the admissibility of a document in the bail application of 5 of the men accused of killing rapper eNCA and his friend Tibz Motswane. This document, an affidavit that was submitted by the Director of Public Prosecutions, Elaine Harrison, when the arrests were meant to be made in Eswatini. Now, the defense attorneys had previously tried to get this document admitted, but that was shot down by the magistrate, Dasen Thathiah. Now, they say that it's a new development because this is a digital copy that they were trying to get admitted. They say they can use it because the state had submitted certain screenshots from TikTok as part of their evidence. So, the defense says essentially that this is the same thing. Applicants 1, 3 and 5 were able to complete their replies during this court session, while applicants 2 and 4 were not ready. As expected in their replies, they essentially said that the state's case and certain evidence that was given was not accurate. For example, applicant number 1, had essentially said that things like cell phone tracing and those records were not accurate, and it didn't necessarily mean that he was at the places where they say he was. Eddie Mieza, who the state had said was shot while playing with a firearm, denied this, but also used that as an excuse to say that he couldn't possibly have been near the scene of the crime because he had sustained a gunshot wound. He didn't say how he got it though. And when in the case of applicant number 5, Ndemande, who the state alleges was a spotter at the Wish restaurant at the time, well, he says he was stood up by a girl that he was waiting for. He claims that he had called her several times, but she never pitched. And the reason why he had only recently opened up a bank account is because he had problems with his other bank accounts. The case is expected to continue next Monday, with the other applicants expected to reply. I'm Dasen Thathiah at the Durban Magistrates Court.